Yeah, I think if there was a real fire, we would know what to do.
Oh, okay. And how do you know it's like a real fire?
Yeah, because
Are you the French one or?
No, I'm the Brazilian one. Sarah is the French one.
because they have them all scheduled for certain days, so they actually know that they're fake. But when it's not scheduled, then it goes off and it's probably real, so we know how to go and all that stuff. Yeah.
You know any other exchange students?
Yeah, I know more 3 exchange students.
Wow, that's good.
Okay, so explain to me what is that? Org life? What?
It's like Young Life. They work for youth. Okay.
Okay.
And so
Okay. Keep.
so they invited all of us.
I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Well, I've seen the fire and I've seen the rain. See sunny days and I thought would never end. See lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. But you look down upon me, Jesus. You got to help me.
Something popped up in my mind because they had told us to invite more and more exchange kids.
Yeah, we had an exchange student that came a lot last year. But she was from Finland, I think. Yeah, it was really fun. Finland?
Yesterday when Dina told me that she was from Brazil, popped in my mind.
I think we need to share the prize, because without me, you won't win the prize.
Oh, okay, great. You're sharing the prize.
You know
Person who
that.
would inform them that I had invited a Brazilian friend would get a prize. So I was the first one to tell them that I invited a Brazilian friend.
You know there's 6 Brazilians in the school.
So funny.
There's what?
6 exchange students from Brazil in the school right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Take a stand. You've just got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand, and I won't make it any other way. Well, I've seen a fire and I've seen a rain. Seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. I've been walking my mind to an easy time, with my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. Well, his eyes are